Chicken Inasal na nababawalan kung sakay po. My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Chong's Inasal Palawe branch for sending us their products. Guys, we have featured Chong's Inasal in the past. Right now, they have new branch dito po sa Palawe and look at this! Look at this! Whoa! Tignan muna natin, guys. In all honesty, this is one of my favorite inasal I ever tasted. Lasang-lasa mo talaga yung mga herbs and spices na in-include nila dun sa ingredients. One more, guys. One more, please. Okay, I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna take this guy right here. Chicken oil with garlic. And of course, all-time favorite, toyo mansi with matching sili. A business born out of pandemic, and now they are really thriving. Ang dami na po nilang branches all over Pampanga as well as mga neighboring provinces natin. Kung gusto nyong malaman kung saan ko nakuha to, paano nyo mapupuntahan si Chong's Inasal Palawe, so samahan nyo ako, magdadrive tayo pupunta doon. Tara! So this is it, guys. This is the newest open Chong's Inasal dito po sa Palawe. Part owner dito yung pinsan ko, which is si Eva. So pakilala natin siya dito. No? Busy siya actually, pero nahihiya yan. Wala mo nang hiya-hiya ngayon. Congratulations, Eva. Alright, invite mo sila.
Welcome po sa Chong's Chicken Inasal dito sa Palawe. We're grilling from 4 p.m. until 8.
Until 8?
Yeah.
Wow, Monday to Sunday?
Monday to Sunday.
Okay. Ano yung pinagmamalaki ng Chong's Inasal?
Yung marinated chicken natin and of course yung mga condiments, especially chicken oil.
Chicken oil? Secret ingredient yan?
Secret ingredient.
Actually, this is our second time to feature Chong. Yung una dun sa Arayat. And nung nag-uwi ako, talagang sobrang nag-enjoy kami. Masarap talaga. Anong address natin? Ano pa yung address natin dito?
From Lelut, Baculud.
Oh, Lelut, Baculud.
Right. Sa harapan lang siya halos ng Mystic Lane.
Mystic Lane, yun.
Hello po!
O ma'am Nona, mag-invite ka.
Kanan pong friends and kamag-anak ni, mag-start na po yung Chong's Inasal Palawe.
Alright, so guys, congratulations Chong's Chicken Inasal Palawe. If you're looking for premium chicken inasal, guys, na sobrang sulit, sobrang affordable, at the same time, sobrang sarap. Chong's Chicken Inasal, again, this is at Palawe. There have it. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Till our next discovery. Peace out, guys. Dinner na namin to. Bye!